We'll talk about press fittings for small pipe sizes from 12 to 35. We use jaw clamps for these press fittings. First, we mark where to cut the pipe. Then, we use the pipe cutter to cut the pipe. To save time, we have already cut the piece. It's important to deburr completely inside to remove chips that could damage the valve seats. External deburring is also important to prevent burrs that could damage the O-ring in the fitting. Before inserting the pipe in the fitting, we must mark the insertion depth with a special marking tool. We have different grooving according to the various dimensions we offer. Here it is 22. Let's mark the pipe. The mark on the pipe shows the insertion depth in the fitting. It goes from here until it is completely inserted. The mark was made. I want to draw your attention to the fact that we are talking about M profile fittings in this video, and not V profile ones. You can see the difference. This is M, pressed with M type jaw clamp. This, on the other hand, is V. So, keep in mind that I have to choose an M type jaw clamp. Since this is size 22, we'll get the size 22 jaw clamp. I insert it. Now I take the pipe, which is completely deburred, and insert it in the fitting, pushing and turning at the same time. I push and turn it up to the mark, or to the end point. Once this is done, I take the pressing equipment and insert the fitting here, in the jaw clamp profile. It must be here, not here, or even there, but here. All done. Pressing is complete. Our pressure check sleeve, as expected, is torn. So we take it off. Here we can see the pressed one, that no longer has a sleeve. And here is the unpressed one, that still has a sleeve. Thanks.